Hi there, it's Carol with Carolbcrafts. I'm excited to share with you my Sweet as a Peach class kit. Now this class kit is your free gift from me with any $40 retail purchase, that's before shipping and tax, when you use my current host code, which is 2PDUYAFX. Just go to Stampin.com, make a purchase of $40 retail, which is before shipping and tax. Use this host code at checkout, and you will qualify to get your free kit from me with your qualifying purchase. Now the kit includes all the materials that you need to make these four lovely cards. And this is what your kit will look like. It will come with 4 envelopes, and all the materials you need for each kit, for each card, is nestled in an envelope to keep it separate for you. Some things are pre-cut, some things you'll cut yourself. In the video, we'll be cutting them together. There'll be a PDF that has the dimensions and supplies that you need to do each project. Now this is a perfect class for the month of June because don't we love peaches? And this is a peach that I got at the store, and I just wanted to show you my darling peach. So this is Sweet as a Peach stamp set. It's photopolymer, and then these are the peach dies that go with it. And so you'll need this Sweet as a Peach bundle, so you might want to put that in your cart when you go shopping at Stampin.com. And then the 3 inks that you'll need are CALYPSO Coral, Pale Papaya, and PEAR PIZZAZZ. Aren't those beautiful colors together? So you can find out the numbers for these projects, these items, at my website, www.carolbcrafts.com. So check out my website for all the information that you need. But let's look at these awesome cards. Have a peachy day. These are darling little peaches here. And happy birthday. But you can make this any kind of card that you want. Have a peachy day. Beautiful peaches and little pearls there. Gorgeous. Sweet as a Peach. Thanks so much. But again, you could make that a birthday card. Thanks so much. And then thanks for being as sweet as a peach. Now wouldn't you love to make these projects with me? There'll be a YouTube video for each project that you can make along with me. So if you're a new stamper, don't worry, I take it slow, and I give you detailed information when you're making your projects. But if you're also a avid crafter and you just want the PDF, I supply a PDF with the dimensions so that you can just dive right in. Okay, so thanks for joining me, and I hope that you will check out my website, www.carolbcrafts.com, for more information, and be sure to use this host code when you check out at stampinup.com. Thanks for watching. Bye now.